How to fix lag and frame drops on HP Victus laptops. I'll show you 3 of the best fast and easy methods. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is connect your original HP charger to your laptop. While gaming or using heavy programs, keep your laptop plugged in. Then launch your game and check your FPS. If your FPS looks good, then you're all set. If not, make sure to follow the next step. Go to Settings. From the right side, open System. After that, click on Display. Then scroll all the way down and open Graphics. Now select your game from the list. For this example, I'll select this app. Next, choose the high performance option. After that, restart the game. If you're still having the same issue, install HW Monitor or HYNFO on your laptop. Once it's installed, run your game for about 10 to 15 minutes, then check your CPU and GPU temperatures. If your CPU is over 90 degrees or your GPU is over 85 degrees, make sure your laptop vents are clean, place the laptop on a flat, hard surface, and if possible, you can also use a cooling fan. At the same time, close any apps running in the background that you're not using. After doing that, test the game again. Still having problems? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.